We, I don't know, I wouldn't use the word salvaged, but we grabbed one of these panels from, looks like maybe it's the original house. I don't know if they made molding like this back then, but we pulled the nails from all the pieces and we are going to reassemble it using the Makita LXT 16 gauge angled nailer. We got 1.25 inches in there, and we're just gonna go ahead and this is gonna be one of those things. This is old meets
modern.
Super old. Was that like that, or was that like that? I think
that was that side. This part split in half. The only question is, did it? Like, I think it's that.
No, the angle goes towards the bottom.
Yeah.
I think I got this on wrong. It's okay though. You're gonna get the idea. These were the two pieces.
Split in half.
So let's get one up here. Let's get that. Kenny, were you working back then? This miter's not that good.
Funny guy. Listen, for 1760, that's pretty damn tight, all right?
If it's 1760.
If it's 1760. Even if it's 1860, that's pretty good.
Who knows? Only the shadow knows.
I guarantee you they didn't have a 40-volt Makita battery-powered miter saw to cut their miters in 1860.
Oh, you failed, Kenny. There's a nail in this. I can't get it.
I failed. You handled those pieces.
You were pulling the nail.
You started it.
All right, take two.
Let's just pause.
All right. And then I know this is broken too.
There's like a beveled side or whatever. That was, yeah.
Oh, there was a little piece that like busted off. It's on the floor over here. This. I don't think those are reaching. Nope, we're just missing.
1.25 inches.
No, not that.
No. There's not enough.
There's nothing underneath it.
Yeah.
All right, so here you have it. Here's your old world. This was underneath the window panel. Someone shot the crap out of it or nailed the crap out of it at some point. Some siding nails. We put it together with our new Makita. We're not trying to salvage this. We were just doing this for fun.